Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have brought a comprehensive course on Facebook ads that also includes Instagram as it's part of a meta. You will learn from basic to advanced levels covering each Facebook tools or topic. This course is designed to give you a complete understanding of how to leverage the power of Facebook and Instagram advertising to grow your business or personal brand. Facebook and Instagram are essential platforms for digital marketing due to their vast user bases and sophisticated targeting capabilities. Here is why they are critical for your marketing strategy. Number one is massive reach. With over 2.8 billion active users on Facebook and over 1 billion on Instagram, these platforms offer unparalleled access to global audience. Number two is advanced targeting. Utilize detailed demographic, geographic, and behavioral data to precisely target your ideal audience. You can reach specific groups based on their interest, behaviors, and past interaction with your business. Number three is diverse ad formats. Both platforms offer a variety of ad formats including image, videos, carousel, stories, and more, allowing you to choose the format that best suits your campaign objectives. Number four is engagement opportunities. Facebook and Instagram facilitate direct interaction with your audience through comments, likes, shares, and direct messages, fostering a sense of community and loyalty. So let's discuss the course structure and goals. This course is designed to take you from scratch to a proficient Facebook and Instagram advertiser. Here is an outline of what we will cover. Number one is introduction and overview of Facebook and Instagram advertising, understanding the platform ecosystems. Number two is setting up your business manager, ad manager, creating your first campaign. Number three is advanced targeting techniques and audience segmentation. Number four is crafting compelling ad creatives and effective copywriting. Number five is budgeting, bidding strategies, and optimizing ad spend. Number six is analyzing campaign performance, understanding key metrics, and reporting. Number seven is scaling successful campaigns and advanced strategies. And number eight is case studies, troubleshooting, common issues, and question answer we will discuss at the last. I want to tell you one thing, each outline will be in detail, or for each outline I will cover multiple topics in detail. For example, if we talk about setting up your business manager, ad manager, and creating your first campaign, in this outline we will cover adding payment at different level, secret of campaign objective and all campaign objective, Facebook ad auction. So after this course, the skills that you will develop, which is ability to create and manage ad campaigns on Facebook and Instagram, proficiency in using ads manager and business manager, skills in audience targeting, budget management, and ad optimization, and lastly understanding of analytics and reporting to measure campaign success. So after this course you will have a solid background and solid skills that you can sell to your clients, and you can manage your own brand as well. Now let's navigating the Facebook ads ecosystem. The Facebook ads ecosystem comprises several tools and features that work together to help you create, manage, and analyze your ad campaigns effectively. Number one is Ad Manager, the primary tool for creating, managing, and analyzing the ad campaigns. You will learn how to navigate its interface, set up campaigns, and monitor performance. Ads Manager is for users who want full control over their Facebook ad campaign with advanced customization, while the Boost Post option is quick. Mostly you have seen in your post under the post. So it's a very quick user-friendly tool for promoting individual posts with basic targeting and limited customization. So it's better to use Ads Manager instead using Boost option under your post. Number two is Business Manager, a platform for managing all your Facebook assets including pages, ad account, and employees access. You will learn how to set up and configure your Business Manager for efficient ad management. Number three is Facebook Pixel, a piece of code you place on your website to track user actions and measure its effectiveness of your ads. We will cover how to install and use Facebook Pixel to gather valuable data. Next is Pages and Groups, understanding the role of Facebook pages and groups in building your online presence and community. You will learn how to leverage these tools for organic and paid marketing efforts. Next is Meta's product, insight into other meta products like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Audience Network, and how they integrate with your Facebook advertising strategy. One more important thing is setting objective and KPIs. Setting clear objective and key performance indicator is crucial for success of your ad campaign. Here is how you can do it. Number one is defining objective. Understanding the different campaign objective available on Facebook such as brand awareness, traffic, engagement, app install, video views, lead generations, and conversions. Choose the right objective based on your business goals. Number 2 is establishing KPIs. Learn to set measurable KPIs for your campaigns. Common KPIs include reach, impression, click-through rate, cost per click, cost per action, and return on ad spend. So we will discuss these all KPIs into our upcoming videos. And now number 3 is tracking performance. Use Facebook's reporting tool to monitor your KPIs and gain insight into campaign performance. Understanding how to use these insights to make data-driven decisions and optimize your campaigns. And last is adjusting strategies. Based on your KPI analysis, adjust your ad creatives, targeting, and budget to improve performance and achieve your objectives. Here are some requirements for running ads. Number 1 is Facebook page. You need a Facebook business page to run ads. Number 2 is payment method. Set up a payment method in your ads manager to pay your campaigns. Number 3 is ad creatives. High quality images, videos, and ad copy to attract your audience. And lastly, define objective. Clear goals for what you want to achieve with your ads, such as increasing website traffic or lead generation. While running Facebook ad campaigns, people face some common problems, which is low engagement, ads not generating the desired interaction. So what we have to do, test different ad formats and targeting options. Number 2 is high CPC, ad costing too much per click. So in this case, we need to refine your audience targeting and improve your ad quality. Number 3 is ad rejection, ads getting disapproved by Facebook. So ensure your ads comply with Facebook advertising policies and guidelines. So we will discuss everything in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned for this. By the end of this class, you will have a solid understanding of Facebook ads ecosystem and be equipped with the knowledge to start creating and managing your ad campaigns effectively. This foundational knowledge is crucial as we move forward into the more advanced topic and strategies in the upcoming classes. If you don't understand anything, please comment below. I will create another video and I will do my best to explain you everything. Prepare yourself for an exciting journey into the world of Facebook advertising, where you will unlock the potential to grow your business and achieve your marketing goals. In the next video, we will discuss about the campaign fundamentals. And in this campaign fundamentals, we will creating a business manager, adding payment at different level, and we will discuss about the campaign objective, where we will discuss about the secret of campaign objective, Facebook ads auction, and Facebook account hierarchy we will discuss about. And in Facebook account hierarchy, we will discuss about the Facebook ad set structure and Facebook ads policies as well. So stay tuned for the next upcoming videos.